Okay, so tell me what year this is again now.
Pardon me?
Give me the year.
Oh, 70.
It's 1970 TR-6.
Yep.
I'm recording a little video here.
Oh,
So how long have you been working on this thing?
Let's see. We began in 1991.
That's post fire.
Well, that was during fire. The
Okay.
fire occurred in 91, I believe.
And you owned the car before that?
I owned the car from 1980 on up. I was 10 years old when I bought it, and now it's a hell of a lot older. And so am I.
All right, and see today.
My goal is to finish the vehicle before I can no longer climb into it and sit, and then climb out again. So
All right.
I ain't got much time, buddy.